You ready? Bless you. Tiffany. Tiffany said hello.
Hi, Tiffany. How are you today?
She said doing great.
I'm glad you are, dear.
Hey, Miss T. She said hello, Miss Lena.
Hi, Miss Nikki.
Miss T.
Oh, Miss T, okay. Hope you're having a good day, Miss T, today. Hope you're better than yesterday.
That was
it was her
pretty classy lady in Redbird.
it was her Wi-Fi.
Yeah, and her Wi-Fi, yeah.
Okay.
Tiffany said she's doing her hair right now, and she figured she'd watch because she never made tea cakes.
Oh, okay.
But she's doing chocolate chip pecan cookies first. Oh, okay. You doing tea cake? Okay, I'm sorry. I'm all confused. Sorry about that. And I'm the one who wrote tea cakes on there. That's been one of my favorite things. My grandmother and my mom used to make them. Love them, love them, love them. Michelle, Dave. Hey, Michelle. She said, hello, family. She said, you looking lovely. She said, you looking lovely.
Thank you. How's your husband doing, Michelle? Hope he's doing okay. Yeah, I haven't been able to ask you about him for a while. I hope he's doing good.
Hey, Sophia. Sophia said hello.
Hi, how you doing today?
She said, how you doing, beautiful? She said, how you doing, beautiful?
Oh, I'm doing okay. I'm been running around a little bit, trying to get everything together for this video.
Hey, pretty classy lady. You feel better today?
I hope so.
Said,
better.
She said her husband is doing much better.
Oh, good. Okay.
And Liz B